Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Matilda, and today we're going to be talking about your medicines and supplements. Are they the same things? Are they different? What has been your experience over the years? So in my years of practice as a licensed pharmacist in Nigeria, I have seen persons over rely on their supplements over their medicines, especially with persons that are treating certain ailments that require, lifelong treatment like hypertension, diabetes, HIV and AIDS and all of that, and trusting in their supplements over their medicines. So this morning we're going to trash it out. Are your medicines the same thing as your supplements? My answer is no, and this is why I say so. Because your supplements are actually products that are meant to supplement your diet, not replace it. Like, products like your multivitamins, your protein powder, your fish oil, omega-3 supplements, things in that line. They're meant to supplement your diet and not to replace it, and they are produced specifically to fill nutritional gaps and not to treat or to cure. While your medicines are products that have been tested, gone through different trials, rigorous testing, and then have been approved by the Food Drug Administration or the agency in my country, Nigeria, like the NAFDAC, the National Agency for Food and Drug Control. They've approved it already, right, for the treatment and the cure of ailments or even prevention. So there are two different things. Your supplements and your medicines are not the same. So if you have hypertension, or you are a hypertensive patient and you've been prescribed with medicines, and then you abandon your medicines and decide to rely on your supplements, you are wrong. It is not the right thing to do. You can keep on taking your medicines, and then you can use your supplements on the side just to support your health and not to treat or manage a certain ailment. So the key differences between your medicines and your supplements is that, number one, your supplements are not held to the same standards of safety and efficiency as your medicines are. The FDA does not have to approve a supplement before it is being sold and used. But for a medicine to be qualified as a medicine for treatment, it has to be passed through a series of tests. It has to be tried on animals, tried on human beings, different studies to check for side effects and all of that. So it's a rigorous process that it has to go through before the agency can finally approve it as a medicine. Unlike the supplement, they don't need to go through that because they are dietary supplements, more like filling in your nutritional gaps like vitamins, minerals, whatever it is that your body sometimes cannot even produce but you can get from foods. So do not over rely on your supplements over your medicines. So that's the first one. Regulation is not the same. Secondly, for supplements, they don't have a precise dose. It's just like someone using a herbal supplement to treat hypertension instead of taking their medicines. What's the dosage? How long are you supposed to take it? How many times in a day? There's this other one that I even see a lot in my country, in Nigeria. I've seen it severally, especially when I was working in Lagos. You see those people that sell these herbal concoctions, and even learned people patronize them a whole lot. Just call them and they hawk it in bowls, different colors, and somebody say, I have malaria, mix for me. Then you see them turning different things into a nylon and shaking it together, and then they just drink all at once. No precise dosage, nothing. There has to be a precise dose so that we know what the side effect is, so that we know, okay, this is how it's going to affect your body if you take it more than, or if you take less than, or if you take it at the correct dose. Okay, this is what it's going to do. Most of these herbal concoctions have led to liver failure in a lot of people because even some of those things that are used in the concoctions are not refined, right? They have, yes, they have their, their health implications, but it has not gone through the process. While medicines, the side effects already, the dosage you're supposed to take, so it's a lot safer. It's a lot safer. So please, those are the two key differences: regulation and dosages. So now we talk about how to use your supplements safely. The first one is, don't just go ahead and buy any supplements. Just think that, oh, I need this supplement, I should take it. My skin is this way, so I should just go and buy it. Let it be recommended for you. Supplements are good, but when you use it when you don't actually need it, it becomes a problem, right? So some of us visit the hospitals, and in addition to our medicines, multivitamins are prescribed. There are also supplements. Uh, Aside from multivitamins, some specific vitamins can be prescribed for you that you need to support your treatment, to support your health. You can take it at those times. Not just Don't just go on your own, and get supplements for yourself. And secondly, be sure that whatever supplement you're taking has third-party labels. For example, like the USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, if you're actually taking in the US, and some of those regulating bodies in the different countries. Thirdly, avoid supplements that promise you miracle cures. Supplements do not cure, they do not treat. I know that when I was a lot younger, right, I was also affiliated with one of these supplement companies, and we were passing the wrong information. But now I know better. So supplements have their place, but they are not medicines. They don't treat, they don't cure. They can support your health, right? They can provide you with vitamins that you do not have, but they do not treat and they do not cure, except if it has been labeled so by the FDA, by NAFDAC, except it has been labeled that it treats and it cures. But as long as it has not been labeled that it treats and it cures, and it is just supplement, it is what it is, just like the name, to supplement your diet, not to replace it. The fact that you're taking supplements too does not even mean that you will not eat. You still have to eat. You still have to eat food. So it's just a support. It is not the medicine itself. I don't know what your experience has been with supplements. Have you ever over relied on supplement? What was the result? I'd like to hear from you in the comment section so that others can learn as well. Please drop your comments in the comment section. Like my video if it's made sense to you, share with others, and don't forget to subscribe so we can bring you more content. Until I come your way again, my name is Matilda. It was nice to be here with you guys. Bye.